So I'm giving you a glimpse of everything that needs to be clean, even that living room. I don't even understand why this is out of the refrigerator. I guess somebody was about to eat it, but how you gonna eat it and all of this is everywhere?
I also need to be clean.
Oh my gosh! Really, Gabby? Anyway, Miss P Cakes is gonna clean her little section up over here, and I don't know what this is. Like, seriously, I didn't show you guys when I did this, but I painted this whole table because this used to be like a DIY vanity table for me. So I painted it black and I put it in the kitchen for the kids to have the computer. But now, your girl thinking about doing what I wanted to do in the beginning, which was putting my black nook table here and my little chairs around it, and then kicking them the heck up out of my kitchen, because this area right here, as long as this computer is here, this area is a mess. And she's gonna clean it up, not me, not today. Anyway, these cabinets, if you guys can see, they need to be clean. Look at that. Oh. So I'm giving you guys some motivation. Kids had cookies last night, left this on here. My son was supposed to clean these 2 pots that now I be disliking because he burnt my pot at the bottom. So I don't know how I'm gonna get this clean. And I'm sure if we open this, let's see. Yep. The microwave needs to be clean, y'all. So let's get this done. All right, guys, in a second here, you guys are going to see me use Mrs. Meyer's. I end up having to use some Dawn Power Wash and also some vinegar and hot water. And as well, just to get the stains out, I used a little bit of bleach.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Maybe I need some space. Breathe it
All right, guys, so I put everything back on the other side and I made sure I wiped everything down. Now I'm headed to the opposite side of the refrigerator and I'm just going to wipe everything down, including all the condiments. All right, guys, this is the very next morning. Last night I cleaned out my refrigerator and I looked around my kitchen and I said, you know what? No, I am not doing this. I am tired. My body just cannot do any more today. So I went in my room, took me a hot shower, and went to bed. I know you guys just seen Miss PK's cleaning her mirror. That is her mirror. I call that hers because she likes to dance in it and kiss herself in the mirror. And I'm okay with that. I am very much okay with that. So she's going to clean it. All right, you guys are going to see me move everything off this counter so we can get it clean and the dishes.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret
need to put them away, and then I need to start on these cabinets. These cabinets are a hot mess, from fingerprints to grease to food. It is just a lot, and it doesn't look pretty. No, it doesn't. It stands out on this white. It would stand out if these cabinets were black or blue, I'm telling you. But anyway, I'm going to get everything cleaned down. Also, when I open the other cabinet on the other side, do not judge me. I haven't had the opportunity to organize that side yet, but I will. Not today, but I will. Also, another thing is you guys are going to see me clean these counters down twice. And the reason is because I like to clean my counter before I put my appliances on the other side so I can clean the other side of my cabinets. And then later on, I come back and I clean them again. I mean, I don't want to put my appliances in food or whatever is on, or syrup, because I think syrup is on these counters. You're going to see me probably scrubbing it a little bit because there is a lot of syrup on this counter. Gabriella woke up that morning making pancakes, blueberry pancakes at that. So, let's go. Oh, and enjoy the music.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that way.
Anyway, guys, look at this pot. I try my best, but if you guys know anything that can help me out and get my pots back white, that will mean a lot to me. Believe me, I am searching high and low. Yes, your girl was dancing. I mean, come on, you have to have some good music on while cleaning. It's just, I feel like it's impossible to clean without that good music. Get you some music going and get that house clean.
Yeah, it's been a long night, and maybe I should go home. But it's been such a long time since I felt this good on my own. On my own, on my own, on my own, on my own, on my own.
In case you guys were wondering when I was looking at my neighbor, I thought it was somebody else, but it was my neighbor going in his gate, and I thought somebody was coming over in mine. But anyway, your girl is up here sweating, literally. I mean, it's going all the way down my back, and I think, my God, that's a good thing. You know, I have lost some inches and some pounds, and I am so excited. Anyway, let's get back.
Born to run, and I don't belong to anyone. I let you in close for one night. When tomorrow comes, you know I'll be gone. Let the sun go down in another place. You can tell what you want, writing all the haze. Put your hand in my hand in between my thighs.
Guys, I told you this last time, and it's okay to dry your cabinets off with paper towel, but please do not leave them wet. They will create bubbles, especially on cheap cabinets.
Let the sun go down in another race. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions.
so this is a tester. I'm going to test out this Dawn Power Wash on my cabinets and see, does it cut through the grease just as well as the OxyClean and vinegar? And it did. All right, guys, so I am loading this dishwasher for the second time. The kids found dishes around the house, and thank goodness we have space. Oh, this nasty soap water. It's from the cabinets. It wasn't that bad. It was bad, but it wasn't that bad. Then, of course, I wiped down the counters for the second time, and now I'm just placing my decor back on my middle island.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Alright guys, I am back from that grocery run. Next time I just take you guys with me. I found something really good. Anyway, I found some home run pizza for my kids and myself, of course. Yeah, I did. Anyway, if you guys don't know why I'm excited, I live in Texas now. I do not live in Illinois, so I can't just go and run to the city and get me some good home run pizza. So I found frozen to substitute. That's okay. It's okay. We're going to get on that flight real soon. Real soon. Okay, now let's put it like this. There is no such thing as a clean kitchen without this sink being cleaned and the floor being mopped. Now, mind you, I did not film it, you guys, because my camera overheated. But just know I mopped that floor.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. happy. I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm not gonna wake up.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight.
I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got from Walmart and Aldi. Got us some bread, some pineapples. We have, what is this? Is this lettuce or cabbage? Cabbage. I think I got 2 things of cabbage. I'm trying these new yogurts. Because your girl is trying to eat a little bit more healthier. We got some taco shells here, ketchup, some Olive Garden Italian dressing. We got, what is this? Some Alfredo. Ugh, couldn't even say it. We got some taco seasoning. I bought the kids soap. They actually like this soap for some reason. It smells so good, them and my husband. This is gonna be for the soup right here that we're making. And we got some more taco seasoning over there for the soup. We bought some milk, school supplies. And then we got, this is mine. I bought me some more toothpaste that I needed. Lysol packages for the car. I can't go without my flossers. I just cannot. And I got some hand sanitizer for the car, some Lysol for it. And then of course I bought this. This is for my personal. And I bought some leaves because like I told you guys, my leg has been, I mean, it's just been out of order lately, in pain, and in some true pain. Anyway, I bought some laundry sanitizer that I'm going to try for the first time. I got me some OxyClean for my white clothes. I have, I'm trying this Superfood. Got it from Walmart for $5, so I'm gonna give it a try. I got this Tide over here, and then I have some OxyClean, and then over here, that's what I put my stuff in and bring it in the house. We got some blackberries, we have raspberries, and we have some blueberries. And then I got some lemons, apples, some limes, corn, 2 things of those. And then I went and got some sweet potatoes. Then I have some cucumbers that Gabby requested. Lettuce, cheese, kale, watermelon, carrots, celery, onions, and the ginger. So I'm gonna blend all of this up in a second here because I need to have a smoothie real quick. Oh, and I forgot I had some mangoes. Got those. All right, so I think that's about it for right now. Okay guys, this cucumber water and lemon, it is so refreshing and it tastes so good, especially with it being 105 degrees. Anyway, let's wash these fruits and vegetables and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. But if you guys would like to see my recipe for my juice, just comment below and I'll go ahead and make a video. But until next time, I love ya. Bye.
I tried to hold you